going to walk that property, even that was a little scary with that ship because we're worried about the building moving. And we're going to do a scope of damage that first day. First day. And that becomes the Bible every other day. That becomes what you use to talk with the insurance company. And when you get the carriers in there, the insurance in there, you document every meeting that you have. You document what was agreed to, especially on the business interruption, which is a whole other issue in negotiating. But you document that. It's a business process. And you don't let yourself get involved with insurers, and you're talking about federal fraud, which is a different issue into itself, where they have what I call secondary and tertiary negotiations, where they're trying to follow in the footsteps, and you have to, and you really talk to your broker too, but you need to be aggressive in that and documenting it. It is a negotiation. It's not black and white at the end of the day. But you should get a fair adjustment if you've done the things that we've talked about in front in terms of valuation, in terms of coverage, and then you control it. You don't, I think the biggest problem that insurers do is they defer. And you got an adjuster, they've got a million things going, especially if a cat, they've got a million things going. They're stressed themselves. And you also want to get in advance. You know, you want to early on, once you've got this numbers that you know they're going to move, but there's enough that you may need to get in advance because you can't be fronting money to contractors and such. So there's a bunch of things that are going on that sort of follow, but it starts with doing the right things first. To have the plan, to have the right insurance, to have the right values, it makes those other steps easier, and it allows you actually in some ways to be more aggressive.